Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we executed data transformation steps for a use case example in Power BI. In this video, we will learn how to clean and prepare your data before analysis. Let's continue. In this use case example, we will learn how to analyze column quality, distribution, and missing values. We will learn how to remove empty cells and duplicates, jump to a specific column quickly, change text formats like lowercase to proper case. We will learn to perform mathematical and statistical calculations, round off values properly, create custom columns using logic, replace data in columns, group data by criteria such as category or industry. Let's understand the scenario. A market research company has gathered layoff data of employees from startup companies over the last 3 years. These companies span various industries, and the aim is to analyze and generate insights from this data. The raw data is having issues like there are null or empty cells, shipping and transport is used instead of logistics, location values are in lowercase, columns like total employees and remaining employees are missing. The desired output after cleaning is remove empty and duplicate values, standardize text formats that is capitalize location names, and total employee and remaining employee columns should be present. Group employee data by industry for better insights. And that's it. In the next video, we will move on to the actual implementation of this data transformation in Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.